bar.
This is the soap box. The packing one is for uh, two-part packing. The first one is packing like that, packing the soap in the plastic bag, and then second is packing the after packing, put into the box. Okay. Now we see this one. This one has the three main parts. The first one is the soap packing the plastic packing machine. And then this machine only need to prepare two parts. This one, first one is the packing foam. You need to prepare the packing foam, and then when you open this machine, just waiting the temperature. This is the set temperature. Red is the no, green is the set temperature. Then red is the real temperature. Waiting the temperature come to the set temperature, then the machine can open it. Now we come to the second part. Is the conveyor. This conveyor uh, is for conveyor the soap come to here. You can see the soap come to here. Here are stopped because the box that machine didn't open. So here have three remark sensor. First one come to here. First one, second one, and then here also have this one is for sense the sense here this part come to through here. And then if here come to here, this sense is also here will come to here. Okay. Now this is very important sensor because our soap delivery the process have some wrong to here. If this come to here like that, and then this cannot put in the box. So this pusher will put it out. Then it can auto packing it. So now we come to the box wrapping machine. It's that one packing the box in the packing the soap in the box like that. We can see here also have a sensor like that. When the soap come to here, and then it will give the information to this box packing machine. Then the carton will auto put on here. Then prepare to packing it. Okay. Now we come to the touch screen. Here have many language. Also can set your language, can customize. Now we use the English. Okay. Yeah. You can see this touch screen is very flexible like that. You can push on here. You can stand on here to work it. Also can on this side. Also can on this side for working. It is very flexible when you're working. And then the packing speed, the maximum packing speed can be 80 box per minute. Because now our software is not enough, so we open it to 60. And here the switch is just very easy. Even open, stop, and then click by menu. Okay, this is for the three main part introduction. Uh, when you receive this machine, you just connect the electric, and then the air compressor is okay. Only this machine needs connect the air compressor. The packing machine and this one don't need to connect it, so it is very easy to use.